Guys, you remember a few months ago, we gave away the brand new T56 Magnum and Brian Shue of South Carolina won it. Well, every poll I've done, everybody I've talked to said we should do that again because guess what? Everybody loves the T56 Magnum. The second highest poll was everybody wanted a TKX. So guess what? I got with Andrew Hanlon at Hanlon Motorsports, and we're giving you your choice. That's right. You pick either one. Brand new TKX or brand new T56 Magnum from Hanlon Motorsports. Not only that, but you get one of their custom designed exclusive shifters from Hanlon Motorsports and a swag bag to go along with it. Shipped to your door, ready to bolt in your car. Upgrade that T5, upgrade those old 3550s that are wore out by now. You need a T56 or a TKX in your life. So all you got to do, foxgas.com/shop, pick up any of our new merch. And we got the Stroker hats, we got the Gen X hats, Gen X shirt, all kinds of great new stuff on the website. Every $5 spent, get you one entry, and it only lasts 10 days. So you got to jump on the website now, grab something, and you're in. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. The car I love to hate, the one that pisses me off to no end. I'm gonna try and show it a little love. Let me tell you what I mean. Guys, the whole Pops car saga, if you've seen the whole thing, this car has been restored front to rear, from interior to the entire drivetrain, paint, body, the whole 9 yards. But there's one thing I have literally not touched. Yeah. Out of all the stuff that I've done to this car, the suspension, stock. It's got, and you'll see this when we get it on the left, it's got wore ass out stock front struts, cut springs, factory cut springs that are done. They're over. The stock control, everything is junk. When I put the Convo Pros on and put the taller tire in the back, it started rubbing really bad because it had wore ass out. Like they were like old Monroes or something. I don't know what they were. But I threw some old Lakewoods we had sitting on the shelf. They're apparently worn out too, because it still does. And I'm pretty much done. That's right. I went all in, boys. Entire thing. We'll go through this in a second, but yes, boys, if you're not familiar with Steeda, you're not an OG. Steeda's been around since the beginning. They developed a ton of parts back in the 90s. They even had tuner cars, much like the Celine cars that they did, and they still make the tuner cars to this day. But Steeda's an OG, man, and I was just like, you know what? Let's do the whole thing. The whole thing. So let's run through it real quick. We got the caster camber plates. We got the Steeda springs. I can't remember which ones they call these. Anyway, Steeda lowering springs. Now this is the latest edition they just came out with. These are the Steeda Pro Action double adjustable shocks and struts. So not only are we going to have fresh shocks and struts on the car, but they can be adjusted for better handling, better ride, whatever you want. These things are top notch, and Steeda knows what the hell they're doing. Their reputation precedes them, so I'm very excited about that. Next up, we got upper and lowers. So we got the double adjustable uppers. Not that the car really needs them right now, but hopefully in future it will. And we got the lowers. And I'm telling you right now, guys, these are billet. These are quite possibly the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my entire life. The sway bar bracket, the rear sway bar brackets are in the box. They're a bolt-on, so they do come with those, and you can run them. But I don't even want to install these. These things are too pretty. But yeah, guys, it was time to finally breathe on the suspension of this car. So if you check out Steeda's YouTube channel, they've got a full installation, a review, and discussion about their new Pro Action shocks and struts. And I gotta say, I was pretty impressed. They installed them on their Minty LX hatch. And I was like, you know what? Let's just go all out. The whole thing, I cannot wait. Let's get out to the shop. Let's get this stuff installed. I'm I'm pumped. Finally, we're gonna have a proper suspension under Pop's car. All right, boys, long day of thrashing, but we are fully Steeda suspended. And I gotta say, I'm pumped. I haven't dropped it down yet. We're gonna see what the stance looks like all together, but the suspension looks amazing. Look at all this stock crusty garbage. I mean, no wonder the car was rode so bad. Guys, I thought these were stock cut springs on this car, but you can see these are stock springs. They were just so wore out that the car just sags. I mean, just wore ass out. But no more. We're good to go. So I'm about to put the front wheels back on, see what the stance looks like. It will need alignment, but I'm going to get you some good driving impressions. I'm very, very excited to see how these new Steeda Pro Action shocks and struts, of course with the control arms, caster cambers. That's why I need alignment. Good to go. So we let her down? Yeah. See how low can she go? Which wasn't actually the goal here, but ooh, damn. We are now tucking the Combo Pros. Damn. But I'm telling you, the back now, sitting down on the tire a little bit, that looks meaty.
Does look good.
What do you think? We do all right today?
I like it.
Yeah. Somebody ought to drive great. Pardon my French. Yeah. That looks proper. All right, boys, full stance preview. That is pretty damn epic. Like I said, I've got to get in alignment, you know, because we did the caster cambers and all that. It's pretty close, but I'm just looking right now. Freaking epic. The car feels, I just took it up the road real quick to make sure everything was tight and good and all that. So no actual driving impressions other than the initial feelings. The car has a solid planted feel, which it didn't before. And you can see by the garbage suspension, the stock stuff, and the wore out shocks and struts. Yeah, it was bad. But yeah, I got quite a bit of negative camera on this front, but I mean, she is looking good. I'm super, super pumped. Very excited. All right, boys, headed home from the shop. Like I said, I've got to get the car in for an alignment this week and get everything set up. It's not way far off, but it definitely needs to be aligned. Impressions driving home, amazing. The difference between a high quality suspension on your car and just some thrown together hodgepodge stuff. Look, guys, I've been there. The I hate to name drop, but I put KYBs on my car back in the day. They were awful, just to say the least. The difference between something like that or something you buy at a parts store and the Steeda ones is night and day. There's a reason they're so much more expensive. I'll just say that. Not only that, are these adjustable, so do whatever I want to with them, firm them up, loosen them up, whatever we want to do. But we'll get there. Like I said, we got to get in alignment, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. Pretty much full suspension. I'm very happy, and it's a totally different car. So keep it tuned for full driving impressions. Looking forward to doing that, really getting it out, seeing what it's like. And I guess we'll catch you guys on the next one.